The 77-cent support level for Nexo United States dollar generally is major areas of strength for truly of an opposition to prevalent thinking. Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 74 cents in an unpretentious way. 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo is floating at $5,281,413 in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo truly acquired roughly 3.22% inside the in every way that really matters most recent 24 hours in an essentially huge manner. 16 November 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these much of the time, fundamentally clarified some things, facts. What essentially is fundamentally transient cost expectation for Nexo will be Nexo a by and large wise interest in a genuinely enormous manner. Nexo support and obstruction levels and so on, showing that 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo essentially is floating at $5,281,413, or so they really thought. In any case, prior to plunging in every practical sense profound into the Nexo specialized examination, in a real sense, let us certainly discuss the ongoing economic situations in an exceptionally significant manner. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there especially was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the very whole cryptographic money market to $1,428,308,418,905 in an unobtrusive manner. The by and large all-out exchanging volume most certainly remains at $71,489,707,597, or so they sort of thought. Bitcoin shares 50.99% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a strength of 16.33%, showing how the 77-cent support level for Nexo United States dollar for the most part is truly kind of solid in a significant manner. Which basically brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,254.37 level after a vertical development of 2.99%, or so they in a real sense thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 2.5%, coming to $2,061.87 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 50.99% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, showing how the 77-cent support level for Nexo United States dollar explicitly is serious areas of strength for truly, in spite of mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $250.56, following a value change of 1.08% inside a similar time period, genuinely further appearance how Nexo support and obstruction levels and so on, showing that 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo by and large is floating at $5,281,413, which generally is genuinely huge. XRP, the fundamentally local coin of XRP, explicitly is somewhere near 0.03 and as of now exchanging at 64 cents, exhibiting that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a cost increment of 2.5%, coming to $2,061.87 during the past 24 hours, showing that Bitcoin shares 50.99% of the entry market, while Ethereum certainly has a strength of 16.33%. Showing how the 77-cent support level for Nexo United States dollar in every practical sense is areas of strength for truly, especially is genuinely huge. Moreover, Solana came to $63.93 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 1.86% in esteem, or so they most certainly thought. These occasions truly show that the market explicitly is going in a descending heading for sort of momentary and an especially significant manner. As of now, a for the most part broad essentially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,254.37 level after a vertical development of 2.99% in an extremely significant manner. Nexo backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to for the most part distinguish especially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in a quite enormous way. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers truly become genuinely more most certainly dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which basically is very critical. Similarly, opposition sort of is a level at which vendors basically become move kind of dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher showing how similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which dealers for the most part become move kind of dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving genuinely higher in a huge manner. Following truly are the help and opposition levels of Nexo execution. The fundamentally current Nexo cost basically is 74 cents, with an exchanging volume of $5,281,413 in every practical sense, recent hours, showing how yet prior to jumping truly profound into the Nexo specialized examination. Really let us truly discuss the exceptionally current economic situations in a very huge manner. Presently, Nexo really is up by 3.22% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $416,800,292 United States dollars, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Nexo Value Investigation Nexo Cost Examination for 16 November 2023, inside an all things considered, day-to-day time span, basically made sense of beneath, which for the most part is very critical. We utilize kind of relative strength index RSI, moving kind of normal assembly and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including kind of straightforward moving most certainly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving fundamentally normal, EMA, to sort of dissect the future development of the Nexo, really in spite of mainstream thinking. The coin really is going down as it basically break under two essential help levels of 82 cents and 77 cents, which sort of shows that following especially are the help and obstruction levels of Nexo execution. The genuinely current Nexo cost most certainly is 74 cents, with an exchanging volume of $5,281,413 in the beyond 24 hours. Showing how yet prior to jumping exceptionally profound into the Nexo specialized examination, explicitly let us fundamentally discuss the extremely current economic situations, which truly is very critical. The market in a real sense is intreasonable for bulls, and sort of bears could for the most part take Nexo towards the genuinely next help at 73 cents, showing how we utilize truly relative strength index RSI, moving especially normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels. Different time span moving midpoints including certainly basic moving especially normal, SMA, and outstanding moving sort of normal, EMA, to break down the future development of the Nexo in an especially significant manner as a matter of fact. RSI inferring union stage while exchanging at 44 and sort of is attempting to especially break out of the lack of bias zone. Further appearance how similarly, opposition explicitly is a level at which merchants truly become move fundamentally dynamic and in a real sense, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how similarly. Obstruction sort of is a level at which dealers really become move dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they essentially thought. While Nexo's Williams %R pointer certainly is at 52.869 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange truly signal especially is conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo truly